So you can see for much of the area a very mild start, but the price to pay, of course, is some of this rainfall that's pushing through. Right now we are starting to see drier air filter in from the north. So for areas north of Boston, most of us are sitting dry, with the exception right now of Gloucester. As you can see, right pushing onto the coast even, we have some very light drizzle that's still hanging on in place. Now we move south of Boston, and that's where the showers are mainly confined to already this morning. Plymouth in on some steady light rain activity, and that does stretch down toward the Cape and Islands as well. And as we move through the next couple of hours, you'll see the progression of this rain continue to shift south and eastward. By 10 a.m., I do expect that a lot of the rain will mainly be confined to the Cape and Islands and the south coast, and eventually by the mid to late afternoon, we're drying out region wide. So it's damp, but it's mild out there for today. Big changes moving in tomorrow. Colder air wraps back in, and with that, the chance of light snow arriving by the evening commute. That likely lingers into Tuesday, but it's not so much the snow that has us concerned, but rather the potential for coastal issues as we do see astronomically higher tides heading our way. So let's get through that snowfall, because that in itself could have somewhat of an impact on your Monday evening travels. You move through Monday morning, most of us sitting dry, but by Monday evening, that chance of snow likely going to develop. Keep in mind there's still uncertainty with the exact timing, but I would plan for that chance of snow for tomorrow evening's commute. We move into Tuesday morning's commute, and that chance of snow still in place. Keep in mind it will be very light, but even the slightest chance of snowfall could of course slow down your travel. By Tuesday night, drying out, but much colder air does wrap back in. With this storm, we're also seeing a super blue blood moon. Now, this is something going on in the skies that would have happened at no matter what, but it does somewhat coincide with the timing of this storm. Keep in mind that this is also at the same time of a total eclipse, which is why it's called a blood moon. And it's because of this big full moon that we're seeing that we are seeing these astronomically higher tides for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but of most concern is Tuesday morning, because at that point the wind will be in the right direction to allow for a chance of a surge to develop on top of an already high tide of 11.7 feet. So at that point we could see some minor coastal flooding. For today, though, it's all about that rain for this morning, which will shift southward. It will linger into the afternoon for our far southern extents, while the rest of us dry out and stay cloudy with a high near 50 degrees. Much cooler into tomorrow, highs in the 30s. By Tuesday, falling into the 20s as that snow comes to an end, and most of us see that chance of just about a coating, 1 to 2 inches as you move south of Boston onto the Cape and Islands. Dry for Wednesday, but still staying cool, and by the time our next storm approaches, that will bring a chance of rain and again, even some snow.